Hello everyone, welcome back to GlobeTech Learning Academy YouTube channel. From today's class, I will continue the draw panel of arc and circle command. Now let's start it. Select the circle and drop down the circle. We have the various options. Now I am selecting the center radius. Select it, and now I am giving the 50 as a center radius. In the annotation tool, we have the linear option. Drop down the linear and select the radius option and select the circle that will be shown like this. And next, drop down the circle and we have the center diameter. Select the circle and I am giving as 50 as a center diameter. Same as in annotation tool, the linear, drop down that, select the diameter. Select the circle and that will be shown like this. These symbols indicate the diameter and the heart symbol is indicate for radius. For next is a 2-point circle. I am making the two lines for the different measurement. I am selecting the 2 points, first point and second point. This is a 2-point circle. Next I am selecting line command, first line and second line and third line of different measurement. I am now selecting 3-point circle, first point, second point, third point. This is the 3-point circle. Next is the tan radius. Making the reference of tangent lines. I am selecting tan radius, first tangent, second tangent line, and I am giving the 25 for the radius. I have to check it now. For that I am going the linear option. I am selecting the radius, I am selecting the circle. It will be shown like this. Next option is tan. That's why I am making the reference line. Select that and I am selecting tan, first point tangent, second point tangent, third point tangent. This is the tan. And next was in the arc option. Select the arc and drop down the arc and select the 3 points, first point, second point and third point. This is the 3 point of arc. This is first point, this is second point and this is third point. Next is the start, center, end. Start, center and end. This is one arc option. Next is the start, center, angle. Start, center and give the 45 degree of angle. Like this we can show it. Next is start, center, length. Start, center and give the required for the length distance. Next option is start, end, angle. Start, end and angle. Give the angle distance. Giving 45 degree of angle. Like this we can show it. Next is start, end, length. Start, end and direction. This is the on which direction you have to click on that direction. Next option is start, end, radius. Start, end and radius. This is the radius. Start, end, radius option. And next one is the center, start, end. Center, start and end option. Like this we can show. Next is center, start, angle. Center, start and angle option. Next one is center, start, length. Center, start and give the required length. And next one is a continue is a arc of the arc that will be continued. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share it.